Hello and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya Laundresses praise MDC Pathao. Tesau village hosts Healthy Baby Show to promote child health. FKJGP Ramrai Circle highlights shortcomings at Ramrai PHC. And Meghalaya government increases employee salaries amid price hikes. AJMU dissatisfied. And now the news in detail. Women laundresses in Meghalaya Umthrong have expressed their gratitude to Ba Teborlang Pathao, the local MDC, for addressing their concerns and improving the laundry facilities in the area. The women who rely on washing clothes for their livelihood are now relieved from working under harsh conditions like rain and sun. Ba Teborlang Pathao highlighted that as a leader, he prioritizes listening to the needs of the people, particularly women. He also emphasized his efforts to enhance the community by advocating for the JJM water supply project and the implementation of the 100-day bill, which has brought significant benefits to the Meghalaya constituency.
Shillong, ya ka bahag tu kapor lingim pai perkhat bagani ke JJM kanwan, hagani ke ceka ke jongi ngidang perkhat tak away pak skim, namar ke Shillong tolong lomunai, kiri ke Shillong ke bad jenjar bah ke ombam undi, ma kan ma ladon hakipor beletnya beladon bawon, ko belajan yo kan sawan rei ngai klempoi kita ke bentang. Pinglat sitam. Nadu senam arjar kat kandai marsin job mengi danglong minister tukupur Pak Samlin hadin tu ngi dan si baranik ngelam ya baranik syadu syaka-jaka tolong berpeni ya kata ban suburam ni rombas nang berim tu kanong patha i saram si bolong we ni kinong ngelam bala simkhia lang ban dan betai kini nama kati ke-jaka ke badan sat bar tu ke mulai konsensi ri sokhia nak beta kini kecing ke bagi pajba ki ngelam te pajba menta pli ke kecing tre ke layak chat ma kami dia masuk yang ini mau keluhan berpengaruh terakhir jaka ni halum ni bikin air treatment plan hidan diberi mentah kita persetu bakla ni ke skim mau di persetu bakla kita makan ni ke ditangkan jingon penbit jong bak patau ringkat bagi hek sarkar kepul bandu mau neram nongrim pajba sawan banpet daglik jong khamat ketika top ni ke polom ni katno ke top ketika layang klik pet ke treatment plan mentah ke belasna mau ngang diberi ubah bangasim yang cingkit klik kumbalakan ni orang masih ngam salia bat nak kejap joki weru lada dan kam nam tak jimbit jimbiang jong nong senong jong senong mulai namar nglasim ni kecingkit kli banlong kum nomi kemat banlong kum kupa jong konstituensi ngamla banlong kum kupa to ngade women jong konstituensi nama ngade tang MDC henry bang ngasim ni kecingkit kli ngasim hadu bagi dia ban pendap ya kam kaba kide ban le bat nak liang jongangan ngai khublei ya ka ya kur pungrup mau kibal ai ketika ceka apa yang kecing ke bangi tengku jekran baki dak mensim ke baklur ke ai tiga caka katar kita IA tiga caka misngau tenat ya kecing kit kli jong makmum ru kumurong makur balasim sisa kumurong ba nak ta kecing perkhat kini skim kelade bakila perkhat narus na marjan real basala on perlong hagani ketem ke pemerintah kade kecing sisa ke melakren rong masnong berim baladade bakam rung ke skim sispa sngi pemula ke ngi bagini yo ini kecing hari dak cing trestom ban identify kumlong mai mena ya ka maulai nak sensus sound identify na this council hadin mai kendu batki bagi lala ban penduan pakeka kum sensus village la penyo ini skim ba ni kriti bagi ni snem hapo ni snem mamanta la kam dan jing putut pin sayo umbam di kebkhut kaban long kejing mentoi nam ta jompi ipat nong song senong menta pengawan ke jaka ngang i gedang dan kecinduna ban filter ba ke kumba pitip ngidan ke department besen mau ke badan ke expertise lene kecing start ke jengki ban penkhut ban filter ke nado nanti nanang ban wara ke ke bekhut ni herum ngit skambal da hagani kenti paiba udang ibet yang ban long nami kebat la ngapoi ketong kata ke we ke benta ke bangan le hakmat rong ba senong kran hakmat jupi ki nong song senong ke besim mata kini bangin sele ke we ke project la ngapoi ketong nak benta ban filter ke nado nanti nanang kena makat napoi ceka ba pisat mati ka kalakut namar ka teknologi menta ma ki ka juk start menta kidan pun ki lenti ke ba tang i kam i beret lala ban pun khut ya ka makan long ka jing mentoi nak ta jang pi pa ba te ha ba de ba kalat ma pila pan sngau i Rumah senang berim lah jemput ke dia sisa kata belada weng tang tu bol nanti pendai hani kalabian. Mo, jadi
badan ke mesin dulu banyarap yuhit yuria betuk kesep. Benkong hi kadai kata hi ke burom kadai soble. Bang ai kublai ni kong ki rampak ki badan kasnong. Ki badan ke jeng kit kli ki bayu ke jeng duna jong kasnong. Ki bakaloi ban pentip cha ki MDC ki MLA ki badai ki bala pan ai ki sekarang. Namar bala dah kan nak kirang ba nak kasnong kimdan ke benta kini ro kinum tip hiru bakas nong jongi ba kini ki ba dan hakasnong jongi kidon kam. Ke burom hi kan nong kong lu ya baan kan wan hirong ba jongi nong. Ba ke balai ke burom ke bakhrau kawan ki MDC jongi ban kaloi.
On January 16th, the Sao village organized a healthy baby show to monitor and promote the health of children. The event held at the Dorbar Hall encouraged parents to bring their babies for health checkups by doctors and nurses. A total of 70 children aged between 6 months and 2 years participated in the event. The health team from the DMHO Nongstoin office, including Ba H Suting, Ba L Kharmaulong, Kong AL Lingkoi, Kong GK Nonglong, Ashas and Anganwadis from Tesau conducted thorough health assessments. The event received support from the village Sordar, Ba Mundkar and village office bearers, highlighting the community's commitment to improving child health and nutrition.
Kirio pau khmat na ko office DMHO Nongstoin kan thop yo Ba H Suting, BEE Nongstoin CHC, Ba L Kharmaulong PMA Nongstoin CHC, Kong AL Lingkoi ANM Nongstoin CHC, Kong GK Nonglong ANM Nongstoin CHC, ki Asha bat Anganwadi Kishnong Tesau, lembat usordar Kishnong uba Mundkar.
Mentana kaliang kau si jo kasnong ni pensne ru ikine ki kusnam min saat hai ni trongnos batin pensngeu ya ki keteng jom kine ki nong job ha kane ka tetap ti
wan bani kong mau ikut tidak akapor kababiang karo hospital ai
biang lah
bawan bala idahun dengan barang zero.
On January 16th, the FKJGP Rambrai Circle, led by President Ba Jistarlan Lingkoi, conducted an inspection of the Rambrai PHC and identified several key deficiencies. Among the issues found were the lack of an ambulance, the absence of essential staff such as peons and chokidars, no children's bedroom, and a shortage of overall staff. The FKJGP has expressed concern over these shortcomings as the PHC serves numerous surrounding villages. The group plans to meet with FKJGP leaders from the West Khasi Hills district to raise these issues with the government, urging them to upgrade the PHC to a community health center (CHC) to better serve the community's health needs.
FKJGP Rambrai Circle ni ya kaban wan jurip ya kena ka Rambrai PHC nomor ngilap na ka jing nam jing pajba baki dan sibun jing duna bat mentagas nging layo ya kaban ya kran ro bat ki doktor ki betre hakan po jong na ka PHC bat ngilap sibun ba jing duna ka ba Kong kawai ba ka ambulans chong kene ka PHC kamdon ambulans sekat po ka PHC amdon ambulans nang ta oksigen ro ka kamdon nang ta kamera bathia kerpang nam ta ki kulung nang ta kabalingo kalong wat u syakidar chong kene ka PHC ro amdon aduk mta ba cibun ba kiwe ladangin ong sepang ka manpower ba doktor badai nam ta ka ayush ro kimdon ba nakliang jungi kasang ikina gijing tuna ba imbar saya ingin haban kran sekibor bahalor badai pek ba kenang bakila ban penbiang ini cingduna namarang UI ya kena ke hospital nak ke por kum kasang la jukran hakisnam kilino andai ka sarkar pat kam jusngap bat kam Julai ai te ambar saya nakliang jungi kasang in haban ya perkat langru bat ka FHP na West Hill District bangin ra ikini kimat syaka sarkar ta kombashu ang bakana ka PHC ka laai ka jing sekri ki babun ba kisnong jong ka dong ka thany ramrai palat spatli kisnong bat ka jing khapnya aro kala palat te hadu ban leit nang ne sedu senong stony ro ka syam stom ha tena kaliang ka jungi kasang ya dawana ka por ba kana ka PHC lak no kan yo ban upgrade no sedu ka CHC ro khnang ba ki nong chong jong ka dong ka thany ramrai kim da don kamshu ban leit sedu senong stony ndai kin yo ya ka jing mentoi lengba ka ne ka PHC namar ba ka koi ka khya kalong ubudlum na ka mta ka jaj.
The government of Meghalaya has announced a salary hike for employees across various departments to match the rising costs of essential commodities. Highly skilled workers will now earn 645 per day, up from 586. Skilled workers 605 from 530. Semi-skilled workers 565 from 474 and unskilled workers 525 from 419. However, the All Jaintia Master Roll and Labour Union has expressed dissatisfaction with the increase. On January 16th, Master Roll employees held a meeting at the Shillong Press Club to voice their concerns, highlighting that while food and drink prices have surged over the past 5 years, their wages have not kept pace with the inflation.
Jogi ki All Master Workers Labour Union, Seng Jom ki nom tribal asmi ber government, at kumjero ki bagian tribal lah macam Meghalaya, ki ora tribal ba nagbanta ka lombar moment jom ki nom tribal master ne ki daily minimum wages. Iba hakini ki bunai December na ship long ya ki ki nagbanta ban Karpan ya ka Khuborjylla bahkan penkeu ne ban pentrai kam ya ka minimum wages act jingdai ban penkeu ne ban spend ya ka basic floor rate ka ba au hasil sansna ka Khuborjylla ne ki jilla ki betul rin dia ki dai ban penkeu ya ka non ka dong jong ki trai mastro ka ki wages te ye ke dor ke ne kato ko jinga ki jo ni government of Meghalaya ki la kular man trai kam na ye kan ne ke daily minimum wages ne ke wages ko ki khot ka de basic floor rate te hade no to mi ra yo ya ka jutho ka ba government of Meghalaya habish January jong yusna de ka cabinet ke shimi barai ban penkeu ya kene ka basic floor rate te halor kene dengan jongi kum ki non tribal ki master bedan Khuborjylla Meghalaya bat ki bagi non tribal asli lenipat ya kene ka penkeu jong government hagabai kalian ki pedian bakal trikam wala khatsan menai kalian trikam mai te ndai ka jingi dai bat ki dar di mon ka government of Meghalaya cabinet ki approve pagkandit yung iya kata-kata nomor ba kajipun kiyo dal kalau long dakhampo kalau kampo ang kawai kalian ba kidan kisaw tali ki kategori kardab ki ba kinong tribal lagi dan jalan.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Rural Health Centre RHC in Mriau, East and West Khasi Hills, in the presence of Sports Minister Shaklar Wajri and Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharduki. During the event, the Chief Minister emphasized the challenges in the state's health sector and highlighted the government's infrastructure reforms over the last 7 years to improve healthcare access, particularly in rural areas. He reaffirmed the government's commitment to the sector with the highest health sector budget allocation in the country at 9%. The Mriau RHC, funded by CMSDF with an initial grant of 38.8 lakh, serves 21 villages and is operated by Dr. H.R. Roberts Hospital, Shillong, which runs 3 other RHCs in the state. The CM also announced future support for upgrading the hospital's infrastructure in Shillong to enhance services like laser lithotripsy.
And I would once again like to apologize to each and every one of you for the inconvenience that has been caused to you. But this gives me great pleasure, a great sense of happiness, and a great sense of satisfaction to be here amongst all of you to witness the inauguration of this Rural Health Centre. I must thank Reverend S.S. Majau, someone I have been very closely associated with, someone who has guided me in different situations, and the person who has pushed me, I should say, to ensure that I am here today. It is he who approached and asked me for funds, along with, of course, other members. And therefore, I really appreciate and would once again put on record a deep sense of appreciation for Reverend S.S. Majau for having taken the initiative, because of which we are all present here today. Friends, health sector has been one of the most challenging sectors for us as a government and as a society. In the last 7 years, our government has taken number of steps to bring reformation to the health sector. I'm happy to inform you that our government.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.